It's a hard pill to swallow, but no one is coming to pull you out of bed. No one is going to magically fix your problems. No one is going to hand you the life you dreamed of. You can wait for motivation. You can wait for the perfect opportunity. But waiting won't change anything. The truth is, the only person responsible for your life is you. Yes, it's unfair. Some people start with more. Some have connections, money, luck. But sitting around complaining about what you don't have won't get you anywhere. The only thing that matters is what you do next. So stop waiting. Stop making excuses. You want something? Go after it. Even if it's hard, even if you're scared, even if no one believes in you yet. Because at the end of the day, no one is coming to save you, but you have everything you need to save yourself.